Who's the real king of the skies? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, USA versus Russia versus China. Who really rules the skies? Let's find out. We're talking about the most badass fighter jets on the planet, the kind of tech that makes you want to suit up and take to the skies. We're going to break down the F-22 Raptor, the Sukhoi Su-57, and the Chengdu J-20 piece by piece to see who comes out on top. Get ready for insane speeds, crazy maneuvers, and enough firepower to make you say, "Oh my god, this is gonna be epic." First up, we've got the USA's top dog, the F-22 Raptor. This aircraft is the epitome of modern aerial warfare, combining stealth, speed, and agility in a way that no other fighter jet can match. This thing is a beast. With its sleek design and powerful engines, the F-22 Raptor is built to dominate the skies. It's not just about looking good. This jet is all about performance. It's like the stealth bomber's cooler, faster little brother. While the stealth bomber is designed for long-range missions, the F-22 is all about quick, decisive action. Seriously, this thing is so stealthy, it's practically invisible to radar. The F-22's advanced stealth technology allows it to slip past enemy defenses undetected, making it a formidable opponent in any combat scenario. Imagine trying to fight something you can't even see. The F-22's stealth capabilities give it a significant advantage over other aircraft, allowing it to strike without warning. The F-22 can hit speeds over Mach 2, that's twice the speed of sound. This incredible speed allows it to quickly engage and disengage from combat, making it a highly versatile fighter jet. It can outmaneuver pretty much anything else in the sky thanks to its thrust vectoring engines. These engines allow the F-22 to perform complex aerial maneuvers that other jets simply can't match. We're talking crazy flips, turns, and dodges that would make a video game jealous. The F-22's agility is unmatched, making it a nightmare for any enemy pilot. And don't even get me started on the firepower. The F-22 is armed to the teeth, ready to take on any threat that comes its way. This thing is loaded with air-to-air missiles, a 20mm cannon, and a variety of other weapons that make it a true force to be reckoned with, and even has ground attack capabilities. The F-22 isn't just limited to air-to-air combat, it can also take out ground targets with precision. It's basically a flying tank that can dodge missiles. The F-22's advanced defensive systems allow it to evade incoming threats with ease. The F-22 is designed for air superiority, and it shows. This jet is all about gaining and maintaining control of the skies, ensuring that no enemy aircraft can challenge its dominance. It's been dominating the skies since it was introduced, and it's still one of the most feared fighter jets in the world. The F-22's reputation is well-deserved, and it continues to be a key asset for the U.S. Air Force. But the F-22 isn't just about brute force. It's also packed with cutting-edge technology that gives it a significant edge over its competitors. It's also got a super advanced sensor suite that gives pilots an insane level of situational awareness. This technology allows pilots to see and understand the battlefield in ways that were previously unimaginable. They can see everything going on around them, even track enemy aircraft from miles away. This level of awareness is crucial in modern combat, where split-second decisions can mean the difference between victory and defeat. It's like having X-ray vision for the sky. The F-22's advanced radar and targeting systems give it an unparalleled ability to detect and engage enemy threats. The F-22 is a true game-changer, and it's a testament to American engineering and innovation. This jet represents the pinnacle of modern military technology, and it's a symbol of the USA's commitment to maintaining air superiority. Next up, we've got Russia's answer to the F-22, the Sukhoi Su-57. This aircraft is a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to Russia's aerospace capabilities. This is Russia's newest fifth-generation fighter jet, and it's packed with some serious tech. From its advanced avionics to its state-of-the-art radar systems, the Su-57 is designed to dominate the skies. While it might not be as stealthy as the F-22, the Su-57 makes up for it with raw power and maneuverability. Its twin engines provide incredible thrust, allowing it to perform complex aerial maneuvers with ease. This thing is a flying tank. It can take a beating and keep on ticking. The Su-57 is built to withstand harsh conditions and can operate from rough airstrips, making it highly versatile in combat scenarios. The Su-57 is designed to be highly maneuverable, even at supersonic speeds. Its advanced flight control systems and aerodynamic design allow it to execute sharp turns and rapid climbs, making it a formidable opponent in dogfights. It can pull off some insane turns and twists that would make a pilot's head spin. The agility of this aircraft is truly something to behold, and it gives Russian pilots a significant edge in aerial combat. And trust me, you don't want to be on the receiving end of its weapon systems. The Su-57 is armed to the teeth with a variety of missiles and bombs, making it a lethal adversary. We're talking long-range air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and even hypersonic missiles. These advanced weapons ensure that the Su-57 can engage and destroy targets at great distances. The Su-57 is also designed to be highly networked, meaning it can share data with other aircraft and ground units in real time. This capability enhances its situational awareness and allows for coordinated attacks. This gives it a major advantage in combat, allowing it to coordinate attacks and outmaneuver its opponents. The ability to share information seamlessly makes the Su-57 a key player in modern warfare. Plus, the Su-57 has a unique feature: it can fly unmanned. This capability allows it to perform high-risk missions without putting a pilot's life in danger. That's right, this thing can be controlled remotely, making it a deadly weapon in any conflict. The unmanned capability adds a new dimension to its operational flexibility. The Su-57 is a symbol of Russia's growing military might, and it's a clear sign that they're not afraid to challenge the US for air superiority. With its advanced technology and formidable capabilities, the Su-57 is a force to be reckoned with in the skies. Chapter 3. Chengdu J-20, China's stealthy dragon. Last but not least, we've got China's entry into the ring, the Chengdu J-20. This aircraft is a testament to China's rapid advancements in military technology and its determination to compete with the world's leading air forces. This is China's first foray into fifth-generation fighter jets, and it's a big deal. The J-20 represents a significant leap in capabilities, bringing China closer to matching the aerial prowess of nations like the United States and Russia. The J-20 is a stealthy twin-engine monster designed to go toe-to-toe with the best of the best. Its stealth features make it difficult to detect, allowing it to operate in contested environments with a higher chance of survival. It's got a long, sleek design that screams, "I'm here to dominate." The aerodynamic shape not only enhances its stealth capabilities but also improves its performance in high-speed maneuvers. And trust me, it's got the firepower to back it up. The J-20 is equipped with an array of advanced weaponry that makes it a formidable opponent in any aerial combat scenario. The J-20 is armed with a mix of long-range air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. These weapons allow it to engage targets at various distances, making it versatile in both offensive and defensive roles. It also has a powerful radar system that can track multiple targets at once. This advanced radar technology gives the J-20 a significant edge in situational awareness, allowing pilots to make informed decisions quickly. One of the most interesting things about the J-20 is its potential for growth. The Chinese military is known for its continuous efforts to enhance and upgrade its equipment, and the J-20 is no exception. China is constantly upgrading and improving its capabilities, so who knows what this thing will be capable of in the future. With each iteration, the J-20 could become even more advanced and lethal. Some experts believe that the J-20 could eventually be equipped with hypersonic missiles, giving it an even bigger edge in combat. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound, making them incredibly difficult to intercept. And with its long range and stealth capabilities, the J-20 could pose a serious challenge to US airpower in the Pacific region. Its ability to operate undetected over long distances makes it a strategic asset for China. The J-20 is a symbol of China's growing military might and its ambition to become a global superpower. Its presence in military parades and air shows is a clear message to the world about China's capabilities and intentions. It's a clear sign that the balance of power in the skies is shifting. As China continues to develop and deploy advanced aircraft like the J-20, the dynamics of global air superiority are being redefined. So, who do you think is the king of the skies? The US with its stealthy F-22, Russia with its powerful Su-57, or China with its advanced J-20? Let us know in the comments below. Each of these jets brings its own strengths and weaknesses to the table, and it's impossible to say for sure who would win in a head-to-head matchup. But one thing's for sure, the future of air combat is going to be lit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.